Alright, fuck it, I'm gonna talk, bro. Okay. Alright, I'm like rewriting this while understanding this because I fucking like went off track and didn't really understand what the guy was doing when he was tasting this. So directory for directory in theirs is this it. Right. Directories. So it take one by one and take first this this as in the variable directory, and if game in directory dot lower, if the name got game in that, then do this path equals to os the path that join source and directory. What the fuck is my source then, bro? um Source is the path that joins source and directory. Directory is this, and source. What the fuck is the source, man? The source is data. All right, I got you, bruh. Okay, what we gotta do is leave this be and then what we need to take the name that got game in it, and so like for directory and there's so it's gonna happen. It's like a loop. So it take everything in this, like you can see that, like directory. All right, it take this stuff, and if if okay, if like games in directory, then print directory. So it's gonna be the same, by the way. Oh fucking hell. Why the fuck is that here? Oh, it's got game. Sorry about that. Okay. It's like if there is world in the directory name, so it's gonna print that. So we got hello world, so it's only gonna print that. So alright. The fuck? I didn't save? Okay, it works. What the fuck did I even choose? Alright. Game, so like okay, we gotta append this to our fucking array. So like game path also this. I like to stick with the lane with the naming convention of this, like what they name this, and print directory. Printing is optional, but game there's parts the append directory or a directory print. You're gonna print the object game pads. Alright, you're gonna do that for me, bro. It's always the real, my nigga. What the fuck? Line for root directory. File name in OS the walk source indentation error. Okay, this indentation, it was just working just fine. Okay, this for this. What the f- um okay, bruh. I only saved the name, but why is this shit not working, by the way? Okay, this is for making that shit lower case. Alright, and then game directory pattern. And we need that. And then for invoke. Why am I doing this unconventionally, bro? Like, I can't just like do this. So what I wrote is this. So like game that's path. This is alright. This shit was alright too. Before I added this stuff for directory in directory dot lower. Alright, game. This is supposed to be game. That's good. And games dot path dot append directory and break. Do you need break, bro? What the fuck is indentation mean, bro? Indentation error. So I'm gonna search what this supposed to even mean, bro. Alright, indentation occur when a line of code has more leading white spaces than required for its current block. Because by the you define code structure rather than curly braces, even a single extra space can trigger this error. Unnecessary indentation adding space or tabs. What the fuck do you even mean, bruh? What the fuck is space in there, bro? Game. Bro, if I do this, is this correct? I saved this bitch. Unexpected indentation, so the fault is in here, bro. But I can't even see that shit. Okay. For root dir's file name in OS the walk source. This shit is correct, bruh. Use the convert in the display vendor white spaces to vendor white spaces. Is that supposed to be R? So R, so white spaces. Okay. Oh. Bruh, what the fuck, man? Goddamn bitch ass. Render wise selection. Okay. If I did the. Alright. Alright, then selection trialing. Trialing all. Boundary. That shit doesn't look good, bro. Alright, then. Okay, leave that shit. Okay, sorry about that for that inconvenience. So I want that part in me, bro. I want that part in me, bro. So I want all of this part. So I'm gonna use os.join shit. So like I'm not gonna use this like um paths equals to os the os the os the path the join source comma source comma what do you want there? Okay, directory directory directory. Bro, I want to change the theme, not gonna lie. I've been thinking about it. Dracula theme. Bro, I'm not because of the name, it's just because of that Linux thing, bro. You wouldn't even understand. Okay, man. That's real. Don't care about that, by the way. Winter is coming. Not that, but blue sky blue theme. Um, glass theme. This is looks cool. Wait, is this gonna work by then? See, what the fuck? It ain't even glass. Okay, this look good, but this can look better. Okay, Looking Glass theme. Dark. Bro, glass theme, bro. Okay, what I'm how am I gonna do this? Any non-save appearance method feature include. Alright, get this on marketplace, get this on preview. Alright, you're gonna double click, not this. Huh? Uninstall Mac OS. Why Mac OS, bro? And why is my shit so hard, bro? Beta 2030. OBS Hyperland Kitty. Oh, that's normal. XTZ Total Hyperland. Okay, I wanna see something. OBS, why is my shit so hard? It ain't that hard, but this is my IP, private IP, or whatever you call that. What? PS Code Glass Theme. How to make that, bro?
Okay, so here's how you can get this transparent theme in Visual Studio Code. Once you have Visual Studio Code open, just head over to Extensions and search for Vibrancy. Now, once it loads, click on Vibrancy Continued and hit Install. It should take a couple of seconds, and once it's done, just close this window. And if it didn't work right away, just hit
Privacy window. What the fuck was that even called? Privacy window. How is that even?
search for Vibrancy. Now,
See why vibrancy, bruh. Why is that not in my game? E-N-B-Y. Codium, bruh. This is Codium. My shit is Codium. Okay, install. And what you want me to do is in the control panel, you want me to do this. Okay, frosted, bass frosted, not. Okay, like P. Enable, yes, custom. Okay, what you want me to do is sudo codium then. You're trying to start VS Code as a superior, which is not recommended if this was intended argument and specify an alternate user. Okay, VS Codium. Bruh, nah, I'm messing with the kernel and stuff. Or there's some kind of bullshit. The most I'm gonna do is restart for you, bitch. But, bro, what you want me to do, bro? Recently used. Hey, what do you mean by try as admin, bro? Admin, I'm fucking admin, bitch. Run VS Codium with admin privileges so the changes can be applied. Bitch, hell no. I'm gonna delete you, bro. Okay, where the fuck? What the fuck? Frosted. Frosted. Uninstall, bro. Ubuntu theme, what the fuck? Glass theme, bro. Glass theme. Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. Okay, glass, sea glass. No. Looking glass. What do you mean by looking glass? Sting game. Okay, I can't. No, change color theme. Twilight, summer, spring, ocean, neon, ew, galaxy. Where's the fucking morphism in this, bruh? You said morphism and this ain't it, bruh. What the fuck is that even, bro? Uninstall. This was a waste of time. I like Dracula. What the fuck is that? Okay. Okay, TDR plus P team. Regular theme. I prefer blue with this stuff. Do you kind of get it at? You know, most beautiful theme in VS Code. Bruh, leave it, bruh. This this is kind of a hassle. So my set is 5%, and I didn't even write a script for that because I don't have that kind of knowledge to do that right now. So I'm kind of like leveling up myself so I can write by myself a script for like alerting me myself, like using Python and Rofi. So there's a pop-up or something, and that's all. Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. Okay, where was I, bruh? Append pot. And let's print this outside of here. Alright, that's it. Is cool. Pats. Okay, what we want is. Alright, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's all what we want except this print. But I'm gonna delete this and let's see what is next. Game DRR pattern. Okay, so this is the same. Self-explanatory, bro. This instead of this. Write a variable. dir dir pattern. Okay, same set. Same set. Okay, there is no print. Alright, but there was no error, so I think that worked. So I don't know why I did this break, but there might be a reason. So return is for function, bro. Ain't that right, bro? Okay, I think. Okay, return is in here. Return game paths. Okay, so if I use find game all gamepad, so gamepads print gamepads. All right then. Okay, all of this works flawlessly, and then what I want is emit for Python. Emmit emit Python. Bro, why is this not even working? Is my shit not working? Bruh, fuck that shit. tired of the bullshit. Okay, nice. And next thing we are gonna do is what I did break. Gamepads. So took to the gamepads and new game directory. Okay, name from pad to strip. Okay, name from pad. What is that? What does that even do? So new game directories variable equals to gate name from paths. Gate name from path. Fucking hell. Gate name from paths. Path, comma to strip. Okay, game path. We are doing games and game. Okay, new name in path in paths. Okay, questionable naming. Alright, alright. Okay, dots come out. Previously, I didn't understand what this even was. And new directory name, dir name, goes to dir name dot replace to strip game with this. What does that even do, my guy? I didn't understand. Okay, where is my fucking Firefox? Alright, and then let me find extension border. What the fuck is it even this? Okay, extension theme plus. Bro, ASOS theme, bro. Bruh. Glass. Bro, Molly. Alright, then on ChatGPT. I had a chat here. Login, logging out, changing name ALFA Pro. If we use coding optimization, I think this is it. But so, can you tell me what the fuck does this do? What the fuck is that? Okay, before any of that, Can you tell me what to do and what this does and what to and does underscore slash there me even to my guy. List of paths like that. That's true. Nah, I'm good. Oh, string to remove like game. Hi. And return clean. Bro, I think the no, what do you call it? Um, the filter or something. Filters. Uh, noise suppressor. Okay. Oh fuck. I didn't even mean to do that. Okay, suppression level. Okay. Okay, it's not working that better. So like if I so this is even worse. But my seat is kinda getting hard. My seat means my laptop. But it's kind of working good for the noise and in the background, by the way. All right. There is better way to do this, like directly taken from here. But he told us that there was a better way, but still, this is for learning purposes, so we gotta do this way. Shut the fuck up, bitch. And I'm just kidding. Okay, what OS the path the split does, it splits a path into two parts, like path to folder. Okay, example data and hello world. Alright, and what is dash? This is called under unpacking. Isn't it first value ignore? Second value directory. Why is this a convention? Meaning I don't care about this value. So alright, then okay, we're gonna test that shit and like we're gonna do some kind of okay. Game underscore paths not this. New directory name. Gate name from path. Okay, we're gonna define a function. Define get names from path. Get name from paths. And then what the fuck is this? Exception. Get get names from paths. Okay, we're gonna take game paths and set to remove to remove. Source of that game paths, comma, to remove games game. New game directories. Okay, this is the same. Okay, gamepads, so take that. Gamepads, and we gonna kinda experiment, not gonna lie. So first we're gonna do split. Okay, diary name, where's the path? What the fuck did I even do here? So we're gonna loop for path and and paths. Okay, this is simple. So it's gonna just like output what this is. That's good. And then we gonna experiment like where's the path that split um okay, split. Okay, we can see from here that we split only this much. This and this. As you can see, the file name has been split. All right, and then next is replace this shit with that. That was this is too easy, not gonna lie. So like, and that split, and then the fuck di- comma, directory name equals to that. So what is it that this is gonna get ignored if we do like this stuff? So brand directory name. This is like same as this stuff, but in yeah, same directory name. So we could have gone from here, but why not learn from it? Like it's okay. Okay, that's good. And then new directory name. New directory name equals thing, and that's the we got this. Where's the replace uh from to remove. Okay, I think we can do from path. What the fuck? Directory name, directory name the replace. So directory name the replace to strip gain from that. Okay, so we're gonna remove game from this. With that, and what the fuck? Hmm. So this is not valid. New directory name. Okay. Okay, that's good. I think Simon says this is kind of good. Like, I'm not from white people's countries, so I didn't understand what the game was, but after playing or building this without even knowing what it was, this was kind of shocking that like whenever you answer the question, like there is or answer that works for everything. And there is seven of them, so randomly. That was good to see. Okay, what we did. Okay, that is good. So new names. So append on that. So new names equals to empty stuff, and then the new that's name the append new directory name that is good. Hi. Okay. So I'm gonna pause for now because I'm kind of losing. I'm not losing, but I need to take a little bit of break. I sound like a pussy, but I don't know, bro. Like, inside me is conflicting, bro. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna do this. Oh shit. I'm cold. Let me wear. Okay, I'm back. Alrighty. What the fuck is there? So much cap in here. So we're gonna finish this today. So like this shit is over. So this shit create directory path, target path. Okay, we're gonna if not always the and just true. If that just make that makes no sense. So not create target directory. We're gonna make it simple for me to read. So create target dir. So it's okay. Directory. Path, because the path is needed. Create make dir path if okay. This would be simple. If not, OS the path the exist exists path. Okay, let's skip some of this. Okay, just to make it look cleaner, cause this is one stuff target path. Okay, so create DARG directory. Uh, the target path. Okay, it's good. So I'm gonna delete this. Delete. Don't ask me again, bitch. I'm using arts. I got long ties, shit like that. So this is OS. OS the make directory. Okay, target. It's made, and if I do it again, it's isn't gonna replace this. Like alright, this and replacing. And if I did this, alright, it's fine. Okay. Now where the fuck is the next step? So I don't understand what zip does, but it looks kind of scary. And what the fuck? And zip came out of nowhere, bro. What the fuck is even zip, bro? Okay, zip copy and override. Remove tree. What the fuck? Okay, All of this it is done except SHUITILs, such util and subutil and zip. What the fuck is zip doing, bro? What the fuck? Alright, zip, zip, Python, gig for gig. I kinda like that. It's like beginner friendly and goes a bit deeper. Like I read Python documentation. It's not for me, bro. I'm a fucking bot. All right. Zip function in Python is used to combine two or more iterables like list tuples. Tuples mean three diglets, string directory, etc. into a single integer integral of tuple. Okay, okay, that's good. So it's make into a single integer or tuple. Elements are the same positions from both intervals are grouped together into tuples. Elements at the same position from both take suitable as input. Alright. Res pass list manipulate past. Okay, nothing and zip gave nothing and it's was gonna add but it got nothing to work with. There's okay. Other set is node pair. Okay, unzip with zip. So this said that d dot keys value is this, values is this, and zip keys the values. So everything is done that.
Hi everyone, the simple list that we are having and we are going to discuss about zip. So in zip, we are
All right. What is even the purpose of this? Source and destination, game paths, new game directory, game paths. So zip them together. Okay. Oh, not that, bro. Firefox. Open that shit up. This. Okay, sign in. Verification code. Verification code. Gmail. Inbox. Arrive. Enter in. Continue. What? Into the good display in the app. Sign in to never use the code by someone. What the fuck is you even talking about? Enter the code in the app or on devices. Sign in to never use a code sent by somebody else. What? Authorize your device. Enter the code display in the app or on the device you are signing into. Enter the code display in the app. What? Enter the code display in the app. Which app, bitch? Or on the device you're signing into. What the fuck is that shit then? Summarize, bitch. Never use a code by. What? Bruh. What the fuck is that? I'm on table device activation. Into the code display on the app. What the fuck does it even mean, bitch? It's 8 letters. Bruh, fuck you, bitch. Oh, is this supposed to be here? Copy. I don't think I'm supposed to leak this. Alright. Okay, I think it's done. Commit. Okay, who the fuck am I following? This guy and this guy. Okay, I want to see his projects. Okay, reposits. Okay, upgraded last hour. Okay, what you doing, bro? Studio app. from frontman. JavaScript, HTML. Alright, I just want to look how the fuck do you write shit. Okay, public. What is it when I go to public, bro? I know shit in there. Bro, I'm getting sleepy. So I'm gonna do this tomorrow and this today. So the stuff is that I don't understand is why new game directories is an array, game paths is an array, and then you want this to be zipped together, and then this shit is is joined by the joins target path to destination. I can't get it. For source and destination. Okay, I think we gonna like do do what we did in the last stuff, like print the values, what it does, and like stuff like that. So we can do exactly that. So like this is in main. Why the fuck is this in the main? Not for SCR. So I think this is supposed to take um the first value, second value, like game the path is source, destination is this for all. I think that's what I think. Zip game paths, new game directories, game directory, destination path equals to with the at the join. What the fuck? Destination. Okay, so all right. Say print zip game paths new game. There's okay. Why is it print source and dest save, bro? Why ain't this saving in one go? What the fuck? Alright, what the fuck is the problem? Okay, non-type object is not iterable. What does that even mean, bro? Okay, target. Oh, fucking hell. Data, target. What? For whatever reason, new game paths, new game directories, bro. And 46 main source target argument. Argument is alright. Data target, and then save main. What the fuck is the problem, bitch? Find line 38 zip. Why can't I zip that, bro? In zip, and does nothing. What about that? What about that, bruh? Okay. Okay, file line expected indented block. What the fuck is going on? Why is this adding stuff? When you attempt to iterate a loop over where that has value none. As an expect an iterable value such as list, tuple, or directories. Okay. I think this is the problem. Wait the fuck up. This work. If I add this zip gamepads, it's coming down, but game new directory, game directory. Wait the fuck up. Print game paths. Copy paste. None. What the fuck is none? So why the fuck is this shit empty then? New game directory. Cause I didn't return anything. Get name. Okay, I didn't return anything. Return TURN. Return new names. So the error was object is not iterable. So it should iterate if there is any value in it, but there wasn't any. So that's for that. Mm, and Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. This will work. Okay. Okay. Look at here. I knew it. Sources game paths and new game directory or name. And if we group it together, mm, okay, copy, paste. It's gonna add comma only and will all be in an array. The fuck is this? Like list. Just like I said. This and this, this and this. Mm. Okay, that's it. And what was the purpose of doing this? We gotta see. So destination path. So we need to target path. Target path is where we wanna do stuff. So we made this, which is empty. Okay, and destination. Destination is new game directory, so we gonna make directories in there. Okay, target directories equals to with the path the join the path the join CW not CWE No CWE gamepads target pad target pad with dust. Okay. The value will be different if I do this. Cause we ain't printing a fucking object, man, the guy. So target this and this. So I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but it's I think it's gonna get better from here. Okay. Just to flex a little. Okay. Oh fucking hell. Alright. So bye bye.